Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp account, the personal account, to a business account. So I'm going to demonstrate it on my iPhone. So before we get started, make sure you have updated your WhatsApp application to the latest version from your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you can update it on your Play Store if you are on Android. Alright, so once you have done that, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first step is to open your App Store or Play Store, and over here search for WhatsApp Business. So as you can see, this is an entirely different application for your business account that is provided by the Meta company. Alright, so what you have to do is install this application and open the application right away. So over here you can see it is asking for the permission to use this number for WhatsApp Business. Alright, so here you can read the text as well. So what you have to do is just click on use this number, or you can just add a different number as well. Alright, so once you have reached to this step, what you have to do is enter your phone number, and it is as same as when you sign up for a personal WhatsApp account. So after you have entered your phone number, you will get a new WhatsApp account which will be your WhatsApp Business account. So yeah, that is how you will be able to change your WhatsApp personal account to your WhatsApp Business account. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and make sure you have liked and subscribed to our channel as well, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, keep supporting Digital Digest channel, and hope you have a great day.